Hello friends! The comprehensive Essential Lightroom course for beginner to advanced is designed for all photography and photo editing enthusiasts. Whether you're new to Lightroom or looking to improve your professional skills, this course will introduce you to the fundamentals of Adobe Lightroom and gradually move on to more advanced techniques such as professional color editing, light correction, using presets, file management, and project organization. The actual price of this course with a 40% discount is around €12. But with our special discount you can get this course for free. Special discount for a limited time, so don't miss the opportunity. To register and start learning, go to skilldiscounts.com now and start the course at a special discount. And get the course for free. Note that there are only 4 days left of this course discount. By the way, the discount coupon has been applied automatically here. Your path to success begins with skilldiscounts.com. Start today. If you are interested in using other free and legal Udemy courses, you can check out other sections of the skilldiscounts.com site. Even go to different categories. Or go to the all free online courses section and search for the course you want. If you found the video useful, you can share it with your friends so that they can also access such tutorials. I would appreciate it if you like and subscribe to us. Have a nice day.